Hello everyone, my name is Yannick Zinga and I'm here to present you about our second video update on where our group is standing on our responsibility center management model for the university's budget department. Our scope is to establish an automated dashboard for the budget department that separates the college spending and income, while at the same time determine how to disperse indirect costs and revenue throughout the colleges based off factors to be determined while working on the project. For recent tasks, we had four recent tasks. The first one on February 13th, 19, we collected that data from our resources. So we basically went to the website, UCA website, and all the financial data that we needed were provided by the UCA website. So it was fairly easy, for everyone to get there and get all the information that we needed. So we gathered them, and it did not create any problem. Because we already, our sponsor, Linda Lentz, already did a good job on giving us all the resources that we needed in order to get those data for our team project. For our second recent task, on February 14th, 2019, we established team roles on the website My Team Plus. So everyone went to the website and chose at least three tasks that each one felt comfortable doing. So for the rest of the semester, everyone will be responsible to perform those tasks in order to help the project evolve towards the ending goal or the result. So I think that this task is actually really helpful and really important for our group, because up until now nobody really knew what was his responsibility for the group project. Now that everyone knows what he's supposed to do, I think that the project will evolve will evolve rapidly towards the ending goal, and so everyone knows what he's supposed to do in order to make the project progress. Then for our third task, on February 18th 2019, we had a drive-by meeting with our sponsor. So we basically updated her on where we stood with our project. We told her that we had collected all the data and we were searching for examples of other university to determine how to indirect costs funds should be dispersed. We asked if she had anything she wanted to input for how to disperse those costs, and she did not have any comments. So that's basically it for this task. For the last task, on February 19th 2019, we organized all the data that we previously collected into spreadsheets on Excel. So we divided the work evenly for all the team members. So everyone got at least 3 colleges, and really organize the data that he had into Excel spreadsheet. So every college, we decided to put every college on one Excel spreadsheet, and in each one of these expression for spreadsheet, you will there is, you know, all the expenses, as well as the dean expenses for each college. For upcoming tasks on we will have team video update 2 that I'm currently doing today, and we'll find other example from other universities, just to have a better view of how we should handle our project, and we will determine how to disperse indirect costs. For the milestone, it's pretty much as the upcoming task. We have a team video update to find example from other universities and determine how we want to disperse indirect costs. And we want to complete our automated Excel dashboard. I think our team doesn't need much help from now. I think that we are executing our task on a timely manner, and everyone is basically doing what he's supposed to do. So I think that's it for our update. I think that everything is going according to the plan so far, and I believe that our team will continue to be as productive as it has been in the future. So we will keep you all updated in the future. Thank you. Have a great night.